Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The Bitcoin price crashed hard today. First, the price action played out exactly as expected. It crept up to the final horizontal resistance at 108,300, pushed through to 109,000. But that push above 109.3 was short-lived. The rejection from 109,000 was the beginning of the end. In my opinion, this drop was no coincidence. It looks like a coordinated move by whales or market makers targeting a massive long on hyperliquid. They drove the price down to its exact liquidation level, but instead of closing, the trader partially liquidated and kept the position alive. Even now it remains open. The size and precision of the drop makes this feel like a hunt. Total liquidations over the last 24 hours? Massive. $726 million in total. Longs accounted for over $628 million. Shorts? Only $98 million. The longs got obliterated. Looking at the two-day liquidation heat map, the sell-off formed a clean waterfall pattern. Longs that were open too late and with too much leverage at 106.6, 106.2, and 105.7 were all wiped. Dumb money is gone now. And that opens up the other side, the upside. Around 109.8 sits a fresh cluster of short liquidations, worth billions. If the market flips, that's where the fire starts. I know it might sound repetitive, but I'm still bullish here. Since the bounce at 106.3, bullish divergences are flashing. The key support came in at 104.9, right at the red horizontal line. Price respected that level well. If I weren't already long from 109 down to 107, I'd be looking to enter a fresh position now. The chart setup just looks right. Maybe I'm biased. Bitcoin has been my main holding for years, and I've lived through multiple cycles. But the structure screams recovery. The key now is reclaiming 106.4. That yellow line needs to flip back to support. Only then can we re-enter the channel between 106.4 and 109.3 and have a real chance to break into new all-time highs. Let's have an eagle eye on the charts. I'll be back tomorrow with the next update. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for bonuses and community invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.